For this look, we need to cover our eyebrows. Since Mona Lisa's eyebrows are not visible, we need to achieve this look, so doing that we need to take a non-toxic glue stick and apply it to our brow. I'm going to apply some powder to the eyebrows and apply it where we put the glue. Now to smooth it out even more, I'm just going to take some glue and scrape it on a spatula and then apply this to the brows. The last step of the brows is to apply some foundation or concealer of your choice and apply this on top of the brow so everything is covered up. Applying foundation all over my face. Now taking a concealer brush and some cream contour, I'm just going to be applying this into the nose area as well as the eyes and just really achieving the look of Mona Lisa. Taking some black eyeshadow, I'll be applying this into the crease area and dragging it outwards, creating a shadow. After that, I will be blending it with a blending brush. Taking a brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to be applying this into the crease area and upwards near the brow, and then applying this to the nose area, and then I'm going to be taking it to the cheeks and the forehead. Now this is just so that I can create a shadow that is similar to Mona Lisa's. I'm now going to create a shadow underneath my chin, as well as place it underneath my bottom lip. Now going in with the black eyeshadow, I'm just going to be applying this into the lip area and just creating some more shadow and then blending it all in. And that's my final look. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.